Now we will start out with the flame test to identify metal ions. The solutions we will be testing are lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, and copper chloride. You can see they all have the same chloride ion in common, but the metal is different each time. That allows us to see the influence the metal and only the metal has on the flame color. Different metals will cause the flame to appear in different colors. And in the instructions for this practical, you are given the colors that you should see for each of these metals. You might see a green color or a crimson, a lilac, a yellow color, or red. Firstly, we're going to dip this nichrome wire with the lithium solution and then hold it into the flame. So we are dipping it with the lithium. Then we will hold it into the flame. You can see that the flame in this case is red. This is a red color. So from our options, it's likely to be crimson or red. Actually, this is known as crimson flame. And when we compare it to the red later, you will see this one is much deeper, which is why we differentiate it and call it crimson. Next, the sodium solution. This time, we've got quite a strong yellow color, so we're dipping it with the sodium solution. We got a quite stronger yellow color coming through. And the next is testing the potassium chloride, and this one is really hard to see. You will see this flame is rather light looking, and one half of it you can just see about a slight lilac color. Next, we have the calcium, and you will see calcium ions burn with this vibrant dark orange, almost red color. So this one is noted down as red in this practical. And finally, we're gonna move to copper chloride. We can see that copper burns with the bright green color as you see here. So this is the bright green color of copper. We have taken a picture of each of those flames so we can see them aside by looking in a dark background. And hopefully the colors become a bit more clear. But to be honest, it's quite difficult to see them sometimes. You can see that this lithium is the deepest red. That we call crimson. And the sodium is yellow. And the potassium is lilac. And the calcium gives dark orange flame, and the copper gives light green color.